Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about coronavirus, which is parallel to absolutely Spanish flu of 1918, and the second wave of coronavirus is on, and it is parallel to the second wave of Spanish flu, which was deadly, and so is the second wave of coronavirus. The planetary positions are absolutely identical, and it is amazing that whatever is happening is exactly happening like the Spanish flu, the second wave of Spanish flu. When it uh, took place and with intensity, those planetary combinations are existing when Mars joined Scorpio at that time with Rahu in 1918, and now when Mars joined Rahu in Taurus after the 22nd February 2021. And the surge in coronavirus has started taking place, and especially after the 15th of March when Rahu Ketu have also changed the Navamsha to mutable signs. Rahu has come in Gemini and Ketu has come in Sagittarius. And on the 24th of April, all the four malefics in the Navamsha, they join this mutable sign. Rahu and Saturn in Gemini and Mars and Ketu in Sagittarius, the same sign from where the coronavirus sprouted after the 26th December 2019, where the eclipse took place in the sign Sagittarius in Mula. And when Rahu Ketu, ingressed in the Taurus Scorpio axis, and that was in earlier times when Rahu was in Scorpio and Ketu was in Taurus, then the second wave sprouted. And similarly here, at that point of time, Rahu was in Jyestha. Now Ketu is in Jyestha. Then Ketu was in Rohini. Now Rahu is in Rohini. So friends, it is amazing that I have compared all the planetary positions, and I find that total there will be 3 waves. The first wave will not be that fatal. The second wave is fatal. And then the third wave. The third wave may start after the 19th April and 5th December 2021 till Mars reaches 180 degrees from where it started. It is started from Taurus. So till it reaches the sign Sagittarius, it will reach Scorpio on the 5th of December 2021. So it will not let you take any ease till that time. But after 5th of December 2021, there will be ease, and the peak of the virus will be when there is Veda between Mars and Saturn in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sangata Chakras. Mars aspects Saturn by 8th aspect, and then there is opposition of Mars and Saturn till 20th of July. So primarily speaking, till 19th of August, till when Rahu and Ketu ingress in they change the Navamshas, until unless they change the Navamshas, and then when Rahu and Ketu change signs on the 17th of April 2022, and finally when they go in each other's nakshatra on the 7th, 8th of February 2023, only then we will get some relief. The vaccines will show good results after Ketu leaves the star Jyestha, and that will be after the 10th of May 2021. So friends, the first wave is over. Now we are in the second wave of coronavirus, which is deadly and parallel to the Spanish flu, the second wave. And then the third wave will be much mild. It will be milder than the second wave, and probably after the 19th August. So friends, and the peak will be till May, primarily till May, from 24th of April, or you can even say from 19th of April, because moon, the delivery boy, is already activated. The March today, I've written an article that there will be lockdowns will be start from the 19th of April. This morning I wrote at 9 o'clock. So, and Mars is the delivery boy, and before, I had also mentioned that 72 hours before or after the events can start take place, because moon is the delivery boy. It works like a postman, like a delivery boy. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, that this coronavirus is absolutely parallel to Spanish flu, and not even a single astrologer has done this research. Everybody is giving some odd dates, I don't know how. There has to be some basis of predictions, and as per the past, because the eclipse of the 28th December 1917 was also in Sagittarius sign, and then Rahu was in Sagittarius, and and Ketu was in Ardra, right? And the eclipses took place then. Probably the eclipse was in Ardra star, and it was a lunar eclipse. Now on the 26th December 2019, we have had a solar eclipse in the nakshatra of Mula. And I had been mentioning in all my articles that Mula and Jyestha nakshatra are the most dreaded nakshatras, and world's worst events have taken place when malefics are there in the Jyestha. And Ketu is there in Jyestha, and Mars was aspecting Ketu in Jyestha star till 14th of April. So till 14th of April, things had to take a ugly shape. And then till Mars reaches Scorpio and goes in Sagittarius, there will be no relief, I can tell you this. This principle I have seen from the Spanish flu. I had compared each and every event. I went to Google and I found all the details, and I could see. So this is a final prediction, although all this has been predicted by me way back in 23rd May 2020, when nobody could even think of, when the virus had just started. I had mentioned then that the virus will not go away till 7th of February 2023 in totality, but because of the development of vaccines and advance of medical science, we will get some ease. The intensity of the virus we may be able to control it, but it will not disappear till 7th and 8th of February 2023. I can tell you this, comparing it with the Spanish flu. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. This is my research, and I want to share all my research with all the upcoming astrologers, that predictions should be made on some basis and not just in the air. And most of the astrologers, I don't want to comment, they are making just some odd predictions without any basis. Somebody is giving 5th of May, somebody is giving 26th of May. What is the basis? They must explain why they have given 26th of May or 6th of May. So they are not talking in detail. They are not using the most important tools which are required for the mundane astrology. And especially the stalwarts who have worked for the research and picked up some tools. And our late Shri Hardev Sharma Trivedi ji used some basic tools and chakras for doing the predictions. Not even a single astrologer has used it. I am really amazed how people are making the predictions without using the proper tools and using the techniques what our stalwarts have left with us. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share that I'd also predicted that emergency-like situations and historic events will take place. And the second wave of coronavirus, I had also predicted that the stock and financial markets will take a hit between 11 and 12 o'clock this morning. And that's also proved spot on. It's very difficult to predict on stock and financial markets, but when Mars, the activator, is activating a certain point, then definitely things happen, and even financial astrology predictions can be made specifically for that period. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, that astrology is most amazing. All my predictions, by the grace of God and my blessings of my Guru, are proving spot on. Whether it is coronavirus, whether it is stock market, whether it is untoward happening, whether it is political turmoil, now wait and see. I can now say that the chart of Narendra Modi may be of Scorpio Lagna. Wait and see what is the effect. You will come to know. All this will also have an adverse effect on the ruling government because of the coronavirus. It will have a bad taste because things will go beyond control, and it is going to adversely influence the ruling government. And what happened with Trump? Trump lost the elections simply because of coronavirus, mismanagement of coronavirus. And our Modi ji will lose his shine because of coronavirus. I can tell you this. Whatever may be his chart, whether it is Libra or Scorpio, I don't know. But I can tell you that it will have an adverse impact. This coronavirus will have an adverse impact on the shine of the ruling government. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to say, take care, look after yourself, best of luck, God bless.